Welcome to Harburn 00. In this video I'm using Tinkercad to redesign my cable trunking, ducting, what you want to call it. I find it quite hard to remove the lids off the trunking, so I put a gap in of 0.1mm in the print. I also wanted some empty bases and also some lids itself. These are quickly made and exported. I was looking to make a T-piece as well, so quickly using Tinkercad I redesigned and made up a T-piece. Funny enough, I used cylinders to make the whole curve. I think it turned out quite nice. Using a program called Cura, I sliced these for my 3D printer. In Cura you can put in multiple objects, multiple times, and it also tells you roughly how long it's going to print. I find the print time is usually about 2-3 minutes short of what you're actually printing. For these ones here, the print time is 24 minutes. In reality, it took 28 minutes to print. You can also check the print path, the tool path, on how it works, and making sure what you want printed gets printed. On the printer, I plugged in the SD card and cleaned the top of the glass using isopropyl alcohol. This quickly evaporates off as the heat rises on the bed and ready to print. I did find when printing the first batch, the print failed. This was due to the orientation of the individual bases. Back to Cura, redesigned it, and there we have it, folks. Undecided cork or no cork. Still trying to work it out. Over here as well, we've got some of these boxes. I'm thinking about making them a little stand for these as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you again. Bye.